Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Bridget and welcome back to my channel. So, today's video is going to be another come shop with me. Today I'm going to take you with me. We're going to see if we can find the best deals on discounted makeup and hair stuff. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. Alright guys, so before we get started with today's video, would you mind hitting the subscribe button down below for me? I'd really appreciate it. I put a new video every single day, so you always have something new to watch. And I guess I do this now every time I say that. Anyways, let's go ahead and jump to the store, and we're going to see what we can find. Hopefully we can find something really cheap and really good. Okay, so I'm in Burlington. First makeup that we have up here is just some like generic stuff. Some cute little China glaze and Ardell lashes. Those look kind of pretty. Next up we have this whole first row of just random sets. And then down here you have some nicer stuff, e.l.f. stuff. LA Splash stuff. Bliss. Makeup application essentials. Whole bunch of like little sets from brands like Profusion up here. More Profusion stuff. City Color. Ellen Tracy stuff. These are actually very well organized. If you like Physicians Formula, they have a bunch of that. So far, I'm not seeing any like major brands that I would go for. They have Cargo Cosmetics. And then on this side, we have a couple tools, an e.l.f. sets, some Rimmel mascara. These have like two in here. Two in these, and then there's one like with an eyeliner in here. That's kind of cool if you like Rimmel, but I'm cruelty free, so I can't use that. But yeah, this is the makeup they have, and then they have a whole bunch of tools and brushes. Alright, so that was super anticlimactic, right? I really expected to have like a better selection of stuff. Maybe I shouldn't have gone to a Burlington co-factory in Norfolk. Maybe they have better products and different ones, but that one just had nothing that I really saw that I wanted or needed. If you like Profusion though, I can't use it because they're not cruelty free, but they have a lot of that stuff in there, and some of it's actually halfway decent. I just didn't see anything that like blew me away. On the way out, like by the register, you could see like a couple NYX little sticks, like a contour stick, but it was like for bronzer. That was the only thing I really saw that was like a good brand that I like. There was also some Paris Hilton lipsticks there, which I haven't tried before. I don't know if she's cruelty free or not. But other than that, though, this was not the best come shop with me. I'm sorry. Like, I tried. I've never been to a Burlington before, so, like, I don't know if that's, like, normal or if it's not. Or if that's better than normal. Like, I've never been in there before. I really wanted to just go in there and see what I could find, but I didn't find anything I really wanted. Except for I bought some shoes and a mug. Like, I didn't find anything makeup that I wanted. But I spent some money. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you in my next one. I put a video out every single day. Let's take a moment to appreciate my newest merch. Like, oh my gosh. I got one for the Tide Pods. I thought that'd be kind of funny. Like the whole Tide Pod, everybody's eating them nowadays. But that was kind of funny. But I have a whole lot of new merch designs out. So if you want them, I will leave the link to the merch down below. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.